So here this reductions. We have subtotal, we have discount, we have CGST at a rate 6%, have SGST at a rate 6%, and IGST at the rate 12%, and we have total. Our total in the year. So this one is merged this way. How about that? Okay, let me first merge this. American Center, tick outside border. Okay, this one will see no border. Tick outside border, and this two we have tick outside border. Tick outside border. It's not too big. It's all of them. We are going to select all and reduce the height. Fonts go down a little bit of it. Yes, this is this. Our design ordered fonts. I think aligned center. Yes. Wow, this one now is finished, as you can see. So the next thing now, we have one row there. I take space, space it again. Then something is written inside here. This is top. We have once signed, please fax or email. Email to the provided address. This is in the left. That's it. So without wasting time, we continue by adding. Let's add 3 columns here more here. Let's add and this one will be merged to this point. Merge, then tick outside border, shape fill, cell field, and then font is white. And write our please confirm friend.